How to fix Instagram black screen problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram black screen problem, then what you need to do is just watch this video. If you open up your Instagram and if you have a black screen, you won't be able to do anything like send messages or see someone's post. You don't have any option. You'll just have a black screen. And you're wondering why that might be. The very first thing to check is if it's an issue with the Instagram servers. Maybe they're down and not running correctly. So now we're going to open up our browser and search for is Instagram down. Go with the first website, which is downdetector.com. Now on here, if you see a sudden spike in issues or reported outages on Instagram, most likely you're seeing that black screen because the Instagram servers are down, and that's most likely the cause that you just have to wait until to get their servers back up. It's usually a couple of hours or half a day, something like that, until they get back up. But if that's not the issue, then the next thing what you can do is just go back and open up your settings. Now here we need to go with About Phone, and under About Phone you need to go with the version and make sure that you've updated your software. After updating your software, your problem might be fixed, or just simply scroll down and here you will have Apps option. Tap on Apps, go with Manage Apps, and here you need to search for Instagram. After searching, go with Clear Data, which is on the bottom right, and tap on Clear Cache, and after clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. Or the last thing you can do is just go with your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to search for Instagram, and if you have any updates on your Instagram, you just need to simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Instagram black screen problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.